This the new wave. Turn it up. I'm in the backseat chilling.
Hey guys, how's it going? It is Smalls, and in today's video I am going to be painting a drawing that I drew like just a few days ago. But currently right now it's like 9:30 p.m. so it's kind of like a late recording, and normally around this time to kind of chill. But anyways, the reason why I'm doing this is that I've recently been into drawing a lot, and I think about 2 or 3 years ago, I think around 2019, I actually started off this channel with a drawing type of focus on this channel specifically, but then I kind of abandoned that after like 2 or 3 uploads, I think. And then like a few months later, I actually started doing Call of Duty and drawing videos at the same time. But then an art block just hit me and I kind of just stopped drawing completely. And I drew very rarely. I think I drew like every few months. And I think like about 4 months ago, actually, I uploaded a video where I said like I finally finished like my long-awaited project or whatever. And that didn't really do so well, but that had been a while since like I had drawn, and I decided to do a video on it. But then the art block hit again and I stopped drawing. But then around, I would say like a month ago or just a few weeks ago, I actually started drawing again. And specifically during the time that I actually drew this was actually the day after that I finished the actual drawing. I was watching a video of this one girl on YouTube that was specifically drawing or giving people ideas on what to draw when they really didn't have an idea on what to draw, and I was kind of just following along. And the reason why I'm drawing specifically in orange is because orange and yellow are like my favorite colors. And I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna draw a fruit, and obviously the orange was my pick. And I actually ended up having to do quite a bit of stuff off camera just because I really didn't have a lot of recording space, because I have a ton of stuff on my phone from like old recordings that I always forget to delete. So I only had like 16 minutes or like 15 minutes to record something. So I kind of had to pause and cut a lot of the recording, because I did also get like I was procrastinating and I was just watching videos, listening to music, because when I normally draw, I'm normally always watching a video and I'm listening to music. But I'm like, you know what, I'll just paint it, because originally I actually wasn't. And good thing I did, because I guess this is a good chance for a video, and I'm considering actually making a series out of this. I did say that about 4 months ago when I did that other drawing video, but I never really committed to it. So I want to get a clamp to where I can actually record myself drawing or painting from a top view instead of a side view, because I actually had to record from a vertical view, but I want to start recording from a horizontal view, because that's just gonna make editing way easier for me. But I mean, I'm back into drawing. I think I would say like the past few weeks I started drawing on my sketchbook a lot. I even painted today too, and possibly if I get to finish by the end of the year or the end of the school year, which is May for me, I might do a sketchbook tour if I actually end up finishing this. And normally I don't really draw that often, at least this year, because that this specific sketchbook that I'm drawing on in the video started, where I actually started drawing in it August 24th of 2021. So that was actually quite a while back. That was actually probably just a few months ago, probably like, I'm not specifically sure, that's probably like quite a bit. But I mean, this sketchbook is honestly not that bad, because I mean, I'm painting on it and it's just some cheap sketchbook from Walmart, which is surprising. I mean, obviously it did work because the paper is not really meant for acrylic painting, but I mean, it didn't really warp that bad. Like from what I'm seeing right now, like from the actual sketchbook, obviously it's gonna warp because it's not really meant for acrylic painting. I think obviously if I used the watercolor on this, it would obviously like mess up, but luckily it didn't. Like, I'm surprised that this worked. And if you want to buy this, just go to your local Walmart, and it's a sketchbook. It's a very small sketchbook that has like 110 pages. It's a book bound sketchbook, it's not the spiral ones. But this sketchbook surprisingly was holding up very well against acrylic painting, because I even layered it over multiple times. But for watercolor, I'll definitely have to use another sheet of paper and then probably just glue it on to the sketchbook. But I mean, it is what it is. Like, I can't really do much about that. But I mean, it did pretty well. I just want to kind of finish this before the school year, just because I want to get myself a bigger one. And I don't want to rush it though, because I mean, every time I'm close to finishing a sketchbook, I always rush the end of it, and it never turns out really good. But I want to go to college for graphic design, and that's going to be in a few months because I am a senior in high school. So I want to get a bigger sketchbook so I can do sketches and stuff like that on there. But I mean, we'll see how it turns out, because obviously we don't know yet, because that's still pretty far into the future. That's only like in like 2 months, I would say. So I mean, yeah, that's pretty much what I did this past weekend. I was just drawing. I didn't really have anything to, like, you know, I didn't really want to upload, I guess, a video game or a gaming video, just because I uploaded to this past week, or this last week if you're watching this the day. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna upload this on a Wednesday. So yeah, theoretically last week I uploaded 2 videos, a Call of Duty mobile video which didn't do so well, and a Battlefield mobile video. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed. I mean, if you guys want to see more of this, let me know down in the comments. Let me hear your thoughts. But I think anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let me just show you the finished piece, because I did kind of like enjoy this. But other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.
Show me yo with it. Iced out teeth. She loves when I'm grinning.
You know I'ma tell you what to do.